The United States Navy operates the largest and most powerful fleet of aircraft carriers in the world. These carriers serve as floating air bases capable of projecting power across the globe. As of 2025, the U.S. Navy maintains 11 nuclear-powered aircraft carriers. Each carrier can deploy over 70 advanced aircraft. Their primary strength lies in unmatched mobility. Unlike land bases, carriers can move anywhere in international waters. This flexibility makes them unpredictable to adversaries. Nuclear propulsion allows them to operate for over 20 years without refueling. This endurance ensures continuous global presence. The Nimitz class and newer Gerald R class carriers dominate the seas. The Gerald R class is the most advanced carrier ever built. It features the Electromagnetic Aircraft Launch System, EMALS. EMALS replaces traditional steam catapults. This system allows smoother, more efficient aircraft launches. The Ford class also reduces maintenance needs. Advanced technology cuts operating costs compared to older carriers. It has greater sortie generation rates than any carrier in history. More sorties mean more air power during combat. The Ford class can sustain around 160 sorties per day. In wartime, this number can rise to nearly 270. Carriers are not just ships, they are floating cities. Each carrier houses over 5,000 sailors and aviators. The living quarters, medical facilities, and command centers are highly advanced. A carrier strike group (CSG) surrounds each carrier. A CSG includes destroyers, cruisers, submarines, and supply ships. These escorts provide layered defense for the carrier. Surface ships guard against enemy ships and missiles. Submarines secure the underwater perimeter. Supply ships ensure the group never runs out of resources. This layered defense makes attacking a carrier nearly impossible. Carriers are shielded by the Aegis combat system. Aegis integrates radar, sensors, and weapons for rapid response. It can detect threats hundreds of miles away. Missiles like the SM-6 can intercept incoming ballistic and cruise missiles. Close-in weapon systems (SIBs) provide last-ditch defense. These rapid-firing guns destroy threats at close range. Electronic warfare systems jam or confuse enemy radar. Decoys mislead incoming missiles. The combination of offense and defense is unmatched. This makes the carriers practically untouchable. Carriers project air power anywhere on Earth. They eliminate the need for foreign air bases. U.S. allies often host carriers during peacetime operations. During crises, they can quickly reposition. No other nation can move air power with such speed. The carrier's air wing includes FA-18 Super Hornets. It also deploys the stealthy F-35C Lightning II. These jets give carriers dominance over the skies.
Alassa.
EA-18G Growlers provide electronic attack capabilities.
Alahai.
E-2D Hawkeyes give early warning and battle management. Carriers also deploy helicopters for anti-submarine warfare. Drones are becoming increasingly important on-board carriers. Unmanned systems extend the range and capabilities of strike groups. MQ-25 Stingray drones will refuel jets mid-air. This greatly extends the reach of carrier aircraft. With drones, carriers can strike farther than ever. Artificial intelligence is integrated into carrier operations. AI assists with logistics, threat detection, and battle management. This improves reaction speed in combat scenarios. Carriers now operate in fully networked warfare systems. China and Russia have attempted to develop carrier killer weapons. China's DF-21D and DF-26 missiles are designed to target carriers. Russia claims hypersonic missiles like Zircon threaten carriers. However, U.S. carriers train constantly to counter these threats. Aegis destroyers and advanced radars track missile launches. Missile defenses intercept most incoming threats. Carriers never operate alone, making them harder to target. Their exact location is often classified. Satellites struggle to keep track of their constant movement. Carriers move at over 30 knots, making them difficult to hit. Submarines pose another threat to carriers. But us carriers are protected by their own submarines. These nuclear-powered submarines hunt enemy vessels. Anti-submarine helicopters patrol the waters around carriers. Sonar networks help detect underwater threats. This makes submarine attacks very unlikely. Carriers also have advanced damage control systems. Firefighting teams are trained extensively. Compartmentalization prevents flooding from sinking the ship. Nuclear-powered carriers are built to survive extreme damage. Beyond warfighting, Carriers serve diplomatic purposes. Their presence alone sends powerful messages. A carrier near disputed waters can change an adversary's behavior. They reassure allies of U.S. commitment. They deter enemies from taking aggressive actions. Carriers symbolize American global power projection. No other military asset commands as much respect. Nations know attacking a carrier means full U.S. retaliation. This deterrence makes carriers politically untouchable as well. The U.S. Navy calls carriers 4.5 acres of sovereign U.S. territory at sea. In 2025, carriers are being further upgraded. Directed energy weapons like lasers are being tested on escorts. These can shoot down missiles and drones at light speed. Railgun technology is also being explored. Hypersonic missile defenses are under development. Carriers will soon deploy autonomous drone swarms. This will give them even greater reach and protection. The U.S. continues to invest billions into maintaining carrier dominance. This ensures carriers remain the centerpiece of U.S. naval power. In short, U.S. Navy aircraft carriers are untouchable because of unmatched technology, layered defense, global mobility, and overwhelming air power.